Hey everybody, it's Cynthia, Global Traveler Realtor, checking out the streets of Charleston, South Carolina with my friend Stanley. This city is so unique and offers so many different varieties of real estate. If this is something you might be interested in buying or selling or renting, let me know. I'd be happy to help you, but there are some absolutely gorgeous properties on the street that I'm on right now, such that southern charm is amazing. In this month's November issue, we are going to talk a little bit about what to do to get your house ready for winter, as well as some of the market stats. I have two properties. One is a turnkey in the country of Panama, which you can earn some money and get out of the cold. The other one happens to be a real estate, gorgeous piece of property in Austin, Texas, where you could take over the loan at a 4% interest rate. That might be something that you're interested in. So give me a holler, check out the newsletter, and remember that it is Thanksgiving already. And I just wanted to wish each and every one of you a beautiful day and hope that you're with friends, family, making memories and keeping warm. And Stanley and I say, see you around the world somewhere.